In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $500 per week by tapping into the left side of your brain and coming up with clever and unique names for startup businesses. And of course, it pays right into your PayPal account. So imagine what you could do with an extra $1,000 or $2,000 a month. Stick with me to the end of this video because I've got a website that I'm going to hook you guys up with that will help you if you're lacking the creative juices to come up with names. The best part about this website is that hardly any work is necessary. All you need to do is go to www. Hey guys, welcome back to another Future Affiliate Pro video. My name is Jamar Jones and I created this channel to provide you guys with actionable content and a warm community so that you guys can learn more about how to make money online, build an online business, digital marketing, and more specifically, affiliate marketing. I will be uploading videos each and every week, so if you want to learn about how to create time, location, and financial freedom for yourself, make sure you guys tap that subscribe button and remember to hit the notification bell so you can catch my latest content when it's released. Also, be sure to stay to the end of this video because I'm going to give you guys a huge bonus training that will be sure to help you guys in your online marketing journey. All right, let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into this video. All right, so I'm pumped to show you guys this website, and I know my channel is about affiliate marketing and digital marketing, and I know you guys, I get messages from you guys that say that you guys just can't afford some of the software and you're not really starting with a lot of money, and I totally get it. I know starting to build your business, you have to really start from the ground up, and you need to kind of bootstrap yourself with additional ways of making money so that you can get the software and some of the tools that you need to start making an income online. So I'm going to show you how with this website, Namingforce.com, you can make like $500 or more in a week paid right to your PayPal account. Namingforce hosts naming contests for clients, right? And the site uses crowdsourcing like you and me and the rest of the public to accomplish a task normally solved by a private agency. So normally when people, they would go to like an advertising agency and they would hire them to help brand whatever product or service that they're trying to sell. And that can be like crazy expensive. It can be, I mean, some advertising agencies can charge anywhere between $2,500 to $5,000, you know, and they'll attach a branding expert to help you grow your brand. And a lot of small companies and businesses just can't afford it, right? So this is, it's going to really benefit the creative people, but if you're not the creative person, and it's okay because there are sites out there that can help you. And I will definitely show you guys what site you can use that will help you come up with certain names and put your name in the hat to win some free PayPal money. The best part about it is anybody can do this with no work and no experience. Companies do this because it's cheaper, right? So it benefits both parties. So that's basically the premise to the site. So let's take a look inside. All you have to do is click Become a Namer and register here as a namer. So you have to be, the one downside to this is you have to be a US or a Canadian citizen, 18 years or older. And once you create a login, you'll then sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard that you'll land on once you log into Namingforce. And what you can see here is up in the right hand corner, this is where you're going to start. You'll hit this namer tutorial. So you're going to want to submit names. Namers can submit names on as many contests as they wish. Phase one, you'll notice the contest goes through phases. Phase one is the name submission phase. It'll last 7 days. And then the rush contest will be 3 days. Each phase of a contest ends at midnight CST. And you can also use Google and another website, which I'll show you towards the end of this video. So in order to protect the integrity of the contest, they're not allowed to compete in contests that were started prior to their registration date. So the Namer tutorial is going to step you all the way through how this site works, and then all you have to do is really submit names. So you'll start out as a cadet. You can move up to corporal and then sergeant, so it moves you up ranks. This is the bottom rank, is where I'm at. You can move back down the ranks as well, so if you submit not so good or terrible names, you can actually get bumped back down by your peers. And as a cadet, you'll be limited to the lowest number of submissions per contest, which I believe is 2. Your naming score. So this is your score here on the left-hand side. It's a numerical value given to the results of how well your names are that you're submitting in the voting phase. So during the voting phase, namers are invited to vote on other people's namer names, and if I believe cadets actually can't vote in the voter phase, so you'll have to submit quality names, get bumped up a rank to be able to vote for companies' names. So naming score fluctuation. Your naming score is a rolling 30-day measure and recalculated daily. So you'll have to come in here and submit names as frequently as possible for all the new added clients that are added to here, and then you'll want to have the quality ones to bump up your score. And then voting, the second phase of it after a week or the 3-day rush. Each contest will invite namers to come and vote on the submitted names, and then namers are not obviously not presented their own names. To vote, all they have to do is click on the name that they think is best, and here at the bottom you can see cadets cannot vote on contests. So cadets have a naming score of 0 to 19, and you can submit 2 names per contest. Corporals can submit 4 to 8 per contest, and then sergeants can submit 8 to 15 names. So obviously once you make it to sergeant, you can submit a lot more names, which increases your chance of getting one of your names selected for this company to win the contest. And then you can also increase your name limit quota, duplicate name detection, so they can detect duplicates, and I'll show you here how to enter in your own. You'll have to enter in a very specific URL that hasn't been tagged already. If you guys are enjoying the content on this video so far, I would love it if you guys gave me a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you guys are going to beat me in the next Namingforce contest. All right, let's get right back into this video. And you can obviously be banned if you're caught cheating, or if you get a high volume of client rejected names, multiple namer accounts, this, that, and the other. You can be banned from this site. Right, so here in the dashboard, you can see on the leaderboard here, and like I said before, this is a way that you can earn money online. There's somebody in here, Pitbull Mom, in the last 2 months, she's won almost $1,000, right? So almost a little over $100 a week is very possible on this site if you're able to consistently submit names that are chosen by the community, right? So all you have to do is click contest here, and when you come into the contest, you'll see all the active contests that are going on, and there's different, depending on the client and their package that they choose, is how much the reward's going to be. So you'll always see anywhere between $100 to $200. There's currently 5 contests that are going on right now, and you can see here, you can come in, and these are all the names that have been submitted. Obviously, so there's 1,200 names, and there's 1 day left on this contest here at the bottom for scented candles and oil diffuser. And 1,200 people, right? So if you only enter 2 names, you better make them good and unique if you're going to get selected amongst your peers. So it's kind of tough to get started, but if you just come on here every single day for a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and you really start to understand how the site works and how to enter in quality names, you can start winning contests and earning money online. So let's check out Online Roses Store, and I can show you real quickly. All you have to do, and they'll give you all the specifics of how they want their name. So $100 award for a business name. I'm looking to name my online luxury roses company. Will be selling 40 roses in a box. And here on the right hand side, you have to be a sergeant or a corporal to be able to talk directly with the client. And then they have keywords, name style, compound phrases, how they want the name to actually be. And you can see here that the name length is undecided. They don't really care unless one really stands out to them that they or the community likes. So here I haven't submitted any names yet, and then you can see the two so far that they've chosen that they've liked, the Lila 40 and Lavish Bouquets. And it's really, really simple. All you have to do is come in here and submit a business name. They're not asking for a URL at this time, but some of the contests will actually want the URL and their brand name to actually to be able to be used. So this one only wants a business name. So say you're not feeling creative that day and you need help. All you have to do is type in free name generator onto Bing or Google, and you'll come to this Oberlo. This is just the first one that pops up. Oberlo name generator, and you just click name generator and say you just do like 40 roses. And this makes it super simple, right? So you could spend 3 minutes every day, and you can actually come in here and you can see there's all different names in here. There's a couple pages long of names that you can use. So Crane 40 roses, Blossom 40 roses. So there's all these different names. All you have to do is come in here and choose one that looks interesting to you, or you can come up with one on your own, right? This isn't rocket science. You want to choose a name that's unique, one that somebody else hasn't chosen. So if we were to write in Savvy 40 roses, we can come in here and just put Savvy 40 roses, and then it'll check the system and it will give you a score, and then you can submit name, submission not saved. A similar name, 40 roses, has already been submitted. Explanation adding to the beginning of the name. So they will give you, they will let you know if there's some similarity. So you're going to have to, try a couple names until it gets selected. So that's pretty much it for the Namingforce website. It's pretty straightforward. You enter in names and URLs, and if the community chooses you, then you can win money. Now, this is something that it's really easy to do. It doesn't take a lot of time. If you guys are looking for different ways to make money, this is certainly just one of 1,000, right? If you guys really want to make money online, you can do affiliate marketing and digital marketing like I do, and you can do it the right way, right? And there is a wrong way to do it. You need structure. You need to be taught how to set up proper funnels. You need to choose certain products that are proven to convert. And the products that I'm promoting are ones that really, really work. And the structure I got them from, you'll see, is in the link in the description down below. I'm going to link a step-by-step business builder course that will teach you absolutely everything you need to know to set up your own online business and to learn affiliate marketing the right way. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this Future Affiliate Pro video. Make sure, if you guys are new to the channel, you guys subscribe. If you guys like this content, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, and also make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified when I come out with a new video. All right, so that's it for today's video. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.